Hello and welcome back to the channel. If this is the sort of content that you like, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So before we get on with today's video, I'd like to say a big massive thank you to Paul at Love 500 for his kind shout out last week. So thanks Mr. Love 500 and welcome all the new subscribers to the channel. So as you've seen in the thumbnail, this is a quick wash on my FIAT 500. This is not a how-to. I'm not saying this is how you wash your car or how not to wash your car. I'm just showing you what I like to do. So here's a few before videos of how the car was before we started the wash procedure. So as always, I like to start with the wheels and arches because they're normally the dirtiest on the car. And the last thing you want to do after just washing your car is wash your wheels and all the dirt to flick up back onto the body. So as you can see, I'm just spraying Auto Bright's Citrus at a ratio of 30:1 on the wheels and then in the arches. Now I'm going to spray Auto Bright's Very Cherry non-acidic wheel cleaner. As you can see, as I'm spraying, it's coming out all foamy. This is to do with the foam trigger sprayer that's fitted to the top of the bottle. Really good wheel cleaner this. And as you can see, I'm just getting in the arches with my EZ wheel brush. Just getting in there, giving them a quick scrub. This car's not very dirty. I like to keep on top of it before I tackle the face of the alloy. So as you can see, I'm tackling the spokes, the inner spokes of this alloy wheel with the Auto Bright detailing brush. Ideal for getting into these little nooks and crannies on these alloy wheels, and the other brush that I did use was a FIAT wheel brush. So now for the rinse down. As you can see, I'm getting into the arch, all across the face of the tyre, all across the alloy. And this is a stubby gun that I had from Clean Your Ride. So if you want one, go check out Andy at Clean Your Ride. So now I'm just going to start off by spraying the Auto Bright Citrus at a mixture of 30:1 in a little trigger spray bottle all around the car. This is just to aid the snow foam to remove all the dirt and loose debris off the car. So now we've applied the Citrus, just to let it dwell a little bit longer, we go over the top of it with snow foam. And as you can see, your eyes are not deceiving you, it is bright pink. This snow foam is from Shiny Garage, the Polish manufacturer, and really isn't too bad. It's more of a show, oh look at me, getting the neighbours curtain twitching sort of snow foam. It does have good cleaning properties. I'm not going to say it doesn't, but like I said, it's more of a show snow foam. It also comes in blue and yellow. But yeah, I just thought I'd use something different than the regular Auto Bright snow foam that I use. So no video would be complete without a close-up and a little demo of this pink foam. So as you can see, it's really nice and thick, this stuff. Now that we've left the snow foam on for a good 10 minutes to do this thing, now we're going to rinse off with the stubby gun. Just rinsing the car off. So if you are into this sort of content, let me know in the comments down below what's your favourite snow foam, or your favourite fallout, your favourite shampoo, etc. Or if there's something that you would like me to try and put it on the channel. So as I was rinsing the car off, as you'll notice, I do open the boot and I get into all the jams. I've done this for the doors too, and it's just an easier way of getting rid of all the dirt. Obviously I did spray a little bit of citrus beforehand on these door shuts that wasn't shown, but it's just aiding the dirt removing process. So as you know, fallout of choice is Shiny Guys Detox. This is just to remove all the iron particles out of the paint. When this stuff goes on, it goes on clear and then turns purple during a fallout reaction. As you can see, just close up on the wing, as you can see, there is a reaction starting to happen as it's bleeding purple. It's designed to bleed purple, this stuff. I don't know why, but these Fiat 500s do suffer with severe fallout. I remember my white one, I had to hit that quite a few times to get rid of all that. So now we're on to Auto Bright Just the Tonic. Now this is their fantastic tar and glue remover. As you can see, this car suffered with quite a bit of tar on this lower passenger side, and as you can see, as I'm spraying, you can just see it melting away. Really good stuff, this, highly recommended. So after this, I just wiped off with a cloth and also repeat if necessary. Yeah, you guessed it, Auto Bright Direct Purple Velvet Shampoo. Probably my favourite of all car shampoos at the minute. As you can see, I'm applying via snow foam lance. Really ticked off at this point. I did actually hand wash the car, but my camera decided to delete that footage. So the next bit of footage you're going to see is me applying Auto Bright Direct's Top Gloss, which is a gloss enhancer slash drying aid wax sort of snow foam. It's very good. I have done a video. If you'd like to go and watch that, it will be in the selection. So like I said, this is Auto Bright Top Gloss. It can be applied in a few different ways. This is the best way by far, is the snow foam lance. Also, you can apply it by a bucket, hand applicator, or a trigger spray. But for me, it'll be a snow foam lance every day. Put on, leave it sit, take it off. Also, it needs to be applied to a wet car. So just a quick rinse off, wherever you like the rinse, from top to bottom, left to right, right to left, up, down. It doesn't matter. Aim is to get the product off the cars. So I thought I'd show you a little bit of a close-up on the drying of the car. Like, I have gone on and on and on about how good this drying towel is, and the results speak for himself. As you can see, take little to no effort, dried. And if you haven't heard by now, I got these, a pack of 2 from Because Race Car. The Korean drying towels, and I would highly recommend these towels. They are fantastic and make drying a car super easy and super quick. So after this little quick wash, here's the end results. As you can see, it's got a really nice shine from the Auto Bright Top Gloss. The alloys come up really well. As you can see, there's no more tar or fallout, and all the door shuts, especially the boot, all the green have gone. As you can see, fantastic finish. This is a cracking little car. It is currently for sale, and then we can crack on with another project car. But guys, I would like to thank everybody for watching. I'd like to say hello and thank you to the new subscribers, and please don't forget to smash that like button, and I will see you on the next one. Take care.